quick cocktail. We're gonna make a margarita today. And go.
Come on, swing.
All you need is tequila, Cointreau, how do you say that? Cointreau?
I'm not sure.
Cointreau. And some limey boys. Cut these limes up. That's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna cut up some limes. You wanna squeeze the sucker and make your own lime juice. I mean, I would suggest doing this instead of using lime juice that you buy because this tastes better. But you do whatever the hell you want.
Who taught you how to make them though?
Yeah, well, I was going to get to that. I mean, this isn't my recipe. I learned this from my brother-in-law, but he's not active on social media, so I'm going to take credit for it.
Hey everybody, this guy's a great big phony!
All right, grab one of these guys. Don't put ice in it, just grab your little cute baby tequila boy. Go with the big guy, up to the top, pour it, do another one, pour it, grab some of that lime juice that you just got, pour that in here. All the way to the top for the little guy, not the big guy, the little guy. Pour that in. Get your Cointreau, pour that in the little guy also. In one. Get your glass. And you want to put ice cubes in there.
No way!
Now, you can put ice in here because you're going to shake it up. Cap it. Go T. Cruz style. Ready?
Feel it! Feel the vibration!
Shake it until it gets all frosty. See that?
The most important step is you give that one to your wife and
said
you make another
you
one.
Said you didn't want one. You say you didn't want one. Do you really want it?
Yes.
Are you seriously gonna make another one? It's a margarita.
Cheers.
Alright.
Beat on mental, D-R-U-G-G-I, feel the vibration! Yeah. Can you feel it, baby?